Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. Lina Nail Art recently released 4 new stamping plates and I purchased 2 of them from Nail Art UK. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing Lina Nail Art 4 Seasons Winter 03. As always, you can find information on where I purchased from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel. Thank you. So I have my scraper and my usual stamper. I have 5 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto. And I'm going to start with a dark green nail tip along with a white stamping polish. In a recent video I said that I don't use white stamping polish enough, so I'm trying to use it a little bit more. Now I love ugly sweater designs and this one is just a classic design, which looks brilliant, and I'll definitely be using this in a mani in the future. For the next swatch I'll be using a light blue nail tip along with a dark blue stamping polish. With this design you could place it on the side like I'm doing, or on the free edge going up the nail, or at the cuticle area coming down the nail. It would look great whichever way it's used. Also, maybe adding some crystals into it as well would make it look even extra special, and this design will work really well with other snowflake designs as well. For the next swatch I'm going to use a mustard coloured nail tip along with a dark brown stamping polish. Now the swatch I did for the photo swatches, I really wasn't keen on it, so I thought that I would do it again but on camera and in much better colours. And for me personally, I think this looks absolutely amazing. Mustard is a new colour to my gel polish box, and it really does make a very striking autumnally colour nail, and this just looks brilliant. For the next swatch I'll be using a gold nail tip along with 2 stamping polishes, a red and a black. I'm going to do the large layered design. I'll start off with the red first. Now you could just use this layer for a mani without the second layer, and to be fair it would look really great. But I'll then go in with the black to finish off the design. This colour combination is just a classic and I don't use it often, but it really does make a very beautiful nail. One thing I will say is that the arrow on the second layer, you might want to remove that first, but I could also see this second layer just being used for a mani by crisscrossing it over each other. I think that would look cool. So on 4 Seasons Winter 03 there is some what I call make your own ugly sweater images, which I think is just a brilliant idea. So I'll be using a white nail tip along with 2 green stamping polishes. Now I did find it easier turning the plate. I picked up less excess this way. So I'm just going to make a design at random. I'll start with the darkest green first and then go on to the lighter green and so on. Now I will have a swatch review coming of a plate which is full of these make your own ugly sweater nails, so keep an eye out for that because that plate is brilliant. I made 4 for the photo swatches and I had a lot of fun creating them with different colour combinations and the images to use. There is a lot of nail designs to create just from the small collection of images, but I really like this nail when it's finished. I just wished I could have added another dark green to the top. Maybe if I'd have squished it a little bit closer together, I might have got another green in there. But it's a fantastic concept, I think, anyway. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and mani that I've created from Lina Nail Art 4 Seasons Winter 03. Lina Nail Art 4 Seasons Winter 03 has some brilliant designs, of which there is 24 large designs, 7 small designs going up the middle, and then the sweater lines at the top, of which there is 8. And as I've said, I've made 4 designs from these images. One thing I do want to point out, the top line there is 3 designs which are massive open spaces. And well, we all know how rubbish I am at them, and well, my swatches from them aren't good at all, but I still wanted to show them anyway. I do sort of feel that with designs like this, sometimes the actual cutout line that is in the design isn't very thick, so it sort of gets smushed onto the nail, if that makes any sense at all, and I think that's why they haven't come out very well. I love the Four Seasons range from Lina. It's one of my most favourite ranges they do. However, I do sort of feel that this release was extremely late, especially when UK stockists get the winter plate in the middle of January, and there are images like the "'Tis the season to be jolly" and "Happy winter to all," which are clearly Christmas designs. All these 4 plates were released about 2 weeks before Christmas, which for me is just too late when there's a winter plate in there. These are just my thoughts though. Four Seasons Winter 03 will work brilliantly with 01 and 02, which I do have reviews here on my channel under the Lina playlist. I will try and leave a link for them below in the description box for you. 03 is definitely very different from the other two. It really has some interesting designs, like the ugly sweater make your own designs. The line designs as well, they could really be used at any time of the year, to be fair. I know I definitely would use them. And I like that the words have come out very clear as well. I know I will get a lot of use from Four Seasons Winter 03, and I can't wait to see if they bring out another spring stamping plate. I think it's the only range where I have all of them. So for the mani, okay, I'm gonna be honest, as that's how I am. I'm really unsure about this mani. I like it, but I also don't like it as well. I really can't make up my mind on it. But I used a dark blue and a cream gel polish along with a new metallic blue stamping polish. Now this design wasn't supposed to be like this, and I think that could maybe be why I'm iffy about it. Let me know what you think, as I really can't make up my mind. Part of me likes it, but part of me doesn't. It's an unusual mani for me as well. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the mani and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I would really appreciate it. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Lina Nail Art Four Seasons Winter 03. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.